Hey guys, let's talk about a super simple, science backed habit for strong, healthy leg circulation.
You know those uncomfortably swollen ankles at the end of the day? Yeah, super common.
Or maybe waking up with totally numb, tingling feet? It's honestly a bit scary, right?
And bulging veins pushing through your skin? That's actually a massive warning sign from your body. Basically, these are classic signs of poor circulation. And ignoring them? Not a great idea. So, we need to be proactive. Let me show you this incredibly easy morning remedy. You just need ginger powder, fresh orange juice, natural honey, and a glass of warm water. Just mix them up and drink it right in bed before you even stand up.
So, why does this work? It's all about how these everyday ingredients team up.
First up, a teaspoon of ginger powder. Don't let the simplicity fool you, it's potent. Ginger's active compounds literally expand your blood vessels, jump-starting that blood flow right away. Next, squeeze in half a fresh orange. It tastes great, but it's also doing heavy lifting. Its natural vitamin C and antioxidants seriously strengthen the blood vessels all the way down your legs. Then drop in a teaspoon of raw honey. Obviously, it balances the flavor, but it also acts as a natural carrier, helping your body absorb all those nutrients way faster. Consistency is huge here. Drink this every single day, and you'll see results in a week. That awful, tight ankle swelling you get at night, basically a thing of the past. And those sharp nighttime leg cramps will likely just disappear entirely. It's incredible. Your legs will finally feel light and energetic again. It's practical, easy, and totally natural. So try this tomorrow morning, and be sure to follow for more real health tips.